Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I will guide you through our new beautiful DermeLuxx Pro kit. If you can see, our DermeLuxx now have the waste jar. We've been all waiting for it, now we got it. So let me explain you how it works and how you can upgrade your DermeLuxx to the new type of that. So with your new kit, you will receive the waste jar, the extra gray tubing. You will have the same wand with the gray tubing as well. You will also receive the new acrylic holder that have the special opening for the waste jar to be placed. You also will have the measuring cup. This cup you will use to measure the aqueous shear, the cleansing solution at the end of your treatment, to flush the tubing through the system to ensure all the junk from the skin, all the extra sebum of the dry cells go through the tubing to the waste jar. Then you also have the pipe cleaner, the brush that you will be using to clean up the tubing inside, to clean up the hoses, to clean some small details, including the diamond tips at the end of the treatment or as the regular maintenance by the end of the week. And finally, you have the new set of the Hydro tips. They have the beautiful box, and then everything inside looks like this. A set of dual diamond tips. There are 3 sizes and 3 different abrasiveness. Then you have 4 clear tips. 2 of them are clear ruffle one for the gentle exfoliation, and 2 others are a clear smooth one for the hydro extractions. Then you also have a small baggie with the extra fuses, just in case you might need them, and then plenty of the tiny sealing rings that you would need for your hydro wand. So the sealing rings go on top of the hydro wand to ensure the tight connection between the tip and the wand. So this is it with the new set. Now let me guide you through how you will clean the machine using your measuring cup, and how you will accumulate all the waste into your waste jar. So at the end of the treatment, when you already perform your fluor hydrodermabrasion to your client, you would need to flush the tubing with the aqueous shear using your canister, the waste jar, and the tiny measure cups, the one that you will add the aqueous shear there. So just to make sure everything is connected right, there is the special stickers on top of the cup that shows you what tube is going where. So this tiny gray hose comes from the side of the machine, goes to the opening on the top with the tiny sticker of the jar, and then the long hose is already connected to the wand, so you cannot mess them. So this one will be connected to the opening with the sticker of the wand. Super easy, impossible to make it wrong, so it's gonna be super easy. Now let's say you finished your treatment already. You would need to use your aqueous shear. The measuring cup have the numbers on the side, those are milliliters. So I would add about 30 milliliters, which is 1 ounce of my aqueous shear on the side. Turn on my device, select the hydro feature, so I have the vacuum aspiration on. I need to select fluid hydrodermabrasion, make sure my vacuum intensity is on max, so you have the maximum vacuum suction. Take your wand, press start, you hear the suction, then what will be happening? You have 30 milliliters. Let me turn it on the side so let's see. So you have 1 ounce of the aqueous shear cleansing solution, and you just perform your facial, so you have all the blackheads, dry skin cells, and sebum right there. Then you will have it on the tip that you will clean up and inside of the tubing. So now to clean it, you'll place it inside. Done. So it's absorbed all the clean aqueous shear. I'll pause it for a sec. It absorbed all the aqueous shear, and everything that was inside of the tubing goes with the cleansing solution inside of the waste jar. Now you're able to show your client what was inside of the tubing after you perform the treatment. So you just disconnect the tubing, and here you go. my machine is clean. I did not do the facial, that's why it's just cloudy, because it was aspirated. But when you will be performing the facial, all the sebum and all of the skin will be flushed in here, so you can show now your clients what was inside the skin. Plus you will clean up your machine, making sure it will last long and happy life. Another point I want to ensure we're all covered, you still have the beautiful side filter. Now it's the fail-safe filter on the side. So this filter will protect your machine from any kind of moisture that will and possibly can be absorbed from the waste jar to the machine. There is the sticker saying max, so we highly recommend, and this is very important to know, not to exceed this level. So your filter, the copper one, the orange one inside it, will stay dry and clean all the time. And this filter should be always dry, clean and empty. It's kind of a secondary protection step from your machine to prevent it from any liquid, from any moisture to get inside of the system. So the benefits, again, first off, now you have bigger capacity of the waste jar. You have the waste jar, now you can show all the junk to your clients after the facial. Then you have 2 steps of the protection of the machine, and it's easier to clean it because you add the Aquasure, the cleansing solution, to the measuring cup, absorb it from the cup, it all gets in here, and the treatment is over. Super easy. So again, how to reconnect it, and at the end, how when you finish it, you need to pour it, clean it, dry it with the paper towel. It's still waste jar, so it's not gonna go back to the client's skin. You always know that it's one-way vacuum suction only. So how to connect it? You take the short hose, connect it to the opening with the sticker of the jar first, and then you use your long hose, that is the part of your wand, and you connect it to the opening with the sticker of the wand. Super easy. There is no way to go wrong, and it's ready to be used again. So the pipe cleaner you will be able to use to clean the surface of the wand in there. You also can clean the tubing. You also can clean the opening inside, and all the small parts that need some more thorough cleansing can be used and cleaned with the pipe cleaner. And as of the tips, we would recommend you to clean it with the brush as well. Rinse it under the water and brush it. You can use the same pipe cleaner to brush the surface and to clean up the diamond crisp between them, and then you soak them into the disinfectant solution for the time of 10 to 15 minutes. We recommend to use the cavi side. Don't forget to keep this safe. You probably will need them in time. So these rubber rings, they are clear, so if they either might last forever you may just lose it. So in case of if your sealing ring is lost from the wand, you just replace them for the new one, and it's ready to be used again. Okay, I hope this covered everything. Again, super excited for you. We've been waiting, finally we have it. So if you have questions, as always contact us. Our customer care is amazing. People are ready to help you. If you have more technical questions and the treatment questions, please go ahead and contact our training department. They are absolutely amazing professionals. They will guide you and help you with all your questions. Thank you.